Hey, how's it going? I need to dig through my archives because I'm pretty sure I started doing the video on this mower and then ran into a couple little issues and kind of stopped. But I've done some more research. I know a little bit more about them now. So let's dig in, shall we? Start always. Start as always at the top. Get the top cover off. I need my smaller hose clamp and pliers. I mean, I think these ones will work. Oh, here they are. Okay. I gotta be careful because I got a nice size gouge in my finger too. I don't want to. Oh shoot! I did not strap this to the table. Give me 1 second to grab my strap. This is why I have this grabber, so I don't have to really move around too much, like when I'm on camera. That'll keep it from falling off. So there's two 8mm, one here. These ones I don't want to use power tools on. I mean, well, I always want to use power tools. So we're back to my old camera right now. The one that's slightly broken. Oh yeah, I'm going to take the other two 7mm out. We find that socket. That should be up here, I thought. The rest of my tools, 7mm. These are the ones that hold the carburetor to the air cleaner. I now know certain things I was looking for in the carburetor that I did not know a couple weeks ago when I first started this project mower. And let's take the fuel line off. Let's dump this fuel, or as much of it as I can get. I should have the socket for that up here too, because there's actually a plug on the bottom of the carburetor. I'm going to drain the fuel out of this and I'll be right back. Despite my best efforts, I ended up getting gas all over my hand. My best efforts to not have that happen. So we're going to take this carburetor apart again. I'm pretty sure I did a video showing how to do this. In case I didn't, here it is again. I mean, we were just recently in here, so it should pop open pretty easily. And of course I don't have that big flat head. Yeah, I do. So one of the things that's interesting about doing this kind of stuff is you start to realize why. You know, somebody stopped using this machine. Now this has a piece that comes out, and I did not know that last time. So we're going to clear every one of these. And shoot gas all over myself. I'm not really sure what the whole point of that one is. And then what I need to do is, it's got plenty of fuel coming into it, so I know that know that the main passages are full or clean. Alright, so that's all clear because I just got carburetor cleaner all over. I did not know about that cut until the carburetor cleaner told me. So this will only go in one way. So the problem that we're having now is it'll run and then bog out. So this will only go on one way. I think I mentioned that in another video, but in case you're not, in case you didn't see that video, okay, this one and this one, I think. Well, the bottom of the carburetor will only go on one way. And I do like that drain on the bottom. I should probably start using it more while it's actually still on the equipment. This is a relatively newer machine too. But like I was saying, like you start to see like, alright, so why did this person stop running this mower? You know, there was, at one point, you know, this thing was being used, and then it ends up in Junkman's truck. It's like, why? What happened that this machine is no longer in service? So that's like the fun little, the fun stuff to, you know, investigate. Because, you know, like I said, I'm getting these from the junk man. I'm getting these from a guy that comes around, picks up scrap metal. So, why did he end up with it? First off, this is a pretty basic machine. You know, like maybe somebody got this and you know, they were just going to get a season out of it because they knew they were getting a newer machine the next year or something. I don't know. Like, this is probably at best a $99 machine. I'm not even really sure who sells Bolens, but I'm pretty sure, like I said, this is not a high-end machine. Like, this is a machine that if I'm lucky I'll get 50 bucks out of, which is why I don't really want to investigate too much into it. One of the things I was thinking is I might pull this off and see if I can see whether or not the flywheel key is sheared. But so this is pull. The other thing I wanted to check was the actual the bail control, because we saw with that Troy built, that's why the machine was losing spark, because bail control wasn't pulling it tight enough. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That one was fun. I liked the fact I got to weld in it, even though my welds are pretty crappy. For some reason, when the when these go down deep enough, unless that one's just stripped out, because somebody's definitely been here before. So let me see how far down I'll get you. I'm not going to go too far down because I want to, because just in case there's a problem, I want to be able to come back up. So I'm going to pump it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. actually runs pretty good. Now I want to do another quick fix, and I'm going to bring the camera around to the other side of the mower. I'm pretty sure I did an oil change on it. I'm going to check that just in case. Oh shoot, shut off. So, anyway, I'm going to take you around to the other side because there's something I don't like that I want to fix. And man, something from underneath of here came flying out and hit me in the hand. So you got to be careful. But just one second. So one thing I don't like is this this flap really should be like down here. And there's really not a whole heck of a lot to do with it, or do about it. So I'm going to take my torch and just ever so slightly heat this up. I don't want to stay in one spot for too long. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It's doing a little bit better. So this is just a plastic side discharge chute. Caution, blade rotates when the engine is running. Is that how a lawnmower works? I haven't quite figured that out yet. So then I'm actually starting to smell it a little bit. So I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it in place. And it's a little better. It's better enough that I'm a little more comfortable with it. So I have a brand new air filter for this at home. I don't have it here. I checked the oil. It looks like I did change it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one home and get it posted for sale. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.